I will start telling stories. This is about a historical building from the Dutch Indian government. What I'm telling you is located in Surabaya, East Java. It's a little forgotten because it's not close to cities. The building was designed in 1899 and began construction in 1910. However, it turned out that the construction had not been complete because it was hampered by the 1925 monetary crisis. The purpose of this building was for Dutch defense against Japan during the Pacific War at the time. You must know what is stored in this building. Yes, this building consists of several bunker buildings, large cannons behind the concrete, and some other used weapons. The warriors gave the best they had. They did without names, without faces, and without headstones. And what I'm telling you is about Kedung Cowek Fort.